My name's Mike, and for going on 7 years right here on the channel, all I do is help you make money in different side hustles. I've done this stuff myself, most every single app and niche platform that's out there in the gig economy. We're talking thousands and thousands of trips and transactions across most every single marketplace. Again, this is all I talk about, and I talk to you about side hustles in 2023. Well, apparently this video is going to highlight 4 side hustles that no one is talking about for 2023, parentheses, $900+ a day. So as a self-described side hustle expert, I want to react to this video with you to see how could you even make $900+ a day. So here's my guess going into it. Comment down below, what side hustles can you do that's going to make you 900+? Listen, I am going to bet that we're not going to see, because there's 4 here, I'm betting none of them are going to be traditional app work. I'm betting this is going to lean more towards entrepreneurship and investing. So I'm saying selling a product, course, or service and affiliate income are going to be a few things that we're going to see here. But let's see, because I've talked about those, but this video says side hustles that no one's talking about.
I've got 4 side hustles that no one is talking about that can earn you as much as $900 or more per day with basically no skill. All you have to do is choose one of these ideas and then execute.
Well, firstly, great editing here. My goodness, that's why you have 300,000+ subscribers. We have transitions, overlays, like different camera angles, crispy 4K. Which reminds me, actually, as a full-time content creator here on YouTube, I'm making a course just for you. If you're interested in learning how to make money on YouTube, regardless of the niche, that course is going to be called Mastering YouTube, and only those that get the pre-sale are going to get the cheapest pricing ever. So make sure to subscribe so you can stay on the know on that.
All this trash ends up in your trash cans, where a garbage truck then comes and picks it up. But after the trash has been taken to the trash can, there's always something left over. Gunk. Smelly garbage juice that attracts cockroaches, ants, rats, possums, and other rodents and pests that could then eventually find their way into your home. And this is where you come in. You'd be really surprised to learn that a lot of people will pay you really good money to pressure wash their trash cans once every month, or even as much as every week. Someone recently left a door hanging flyer at my house that was advertising this exact service. And what shocked me even more than the prices they were—
Hold on. What are the prices here? One-time trash can cleaning includes 1 trash can and 1 recycling bin. Any additional can at $10. A 10-minute job for $65. Why $65? I feel like I do it for $45. 65 seems a bit pricey. If you can get that margin on 65 for 10 minutes of work, I mean, yeah, that's going to make bank. So this business offers window cleaning, the monthly trash can cleaning subscription, house pressure washing. Actually, I had a guest on the channel recently, Sean in town. You can check out his channel in our videos as well. But Sean mentioned the cleaning space. So this is kind of similar to, and driveway cleaning.
I recently saw a post on Nextdoor where somebody was saying that they discovered a mobile trash can cleaning service, and that they didn't even know this type of service existed, but they wish they had known sooner. And
okay, hold up. I mean, as the hustler that's doing this for $65 for 10 minutes, again, a great margin. If people are, I mean, are people super excited? I don't know, but are people really super excited to get their trash can and recycle bins power washed? Now here at our apartment complex, they have like Valley Trash. I don't know if you've heard of that, but someone comes around and you just set it outside your front door. And I've noticed recently that yes, my garbage can and the recycling bin's kind of dirty. So I'm like, all right, well, you know, I got to clean it eventually.
Now, the next thing that you'll need to do is actually get the word out about your business. And there's a few different ways you can do this. You can post in local Facebook groups, Craigslist.
Okay, advertising. So whatever side hustle you have, folks, if we're talking about building your own business, which I like, if you can build your own business, source your own clients, then you're truly in charge of the pricing, the margin, and hopefully this is something that would scale. So a good problem to have, and I've said this before, a good problem is if you're too busy and then you're scaling, you're growing rapidly, you're getting more clients, the testimonials, like Joshua said, have a website, have an email list, all of this, and then grow and hire a team, then you're really making some money.
If you want to get even more business, and that's creating physical door hanging flyers. These things are incredibly easy to create, and you can buy them super cheap in bulk on sites like Vistaprint. For example, as you can see here, 1,000 of these door hanging flyers can be bought for 11 cents a piece. This means you could get one.
I feel like with door hangers, just make sure you're respecting HOA and apartment no solicitation policies, like, because then your contact info is clearly on there. So if door hangers work so well, why aren't more small businesses and just businesses in general doing it? I worry that it doesn't convert as much as you think it converts versus converting to going in the garbage. Let me know what your thoughts are on that.
I bought a couple of pieces of artwork from Etsy. This is a stock market bull and a stock market bear, and I paid roughly $200 a piece for this canvas artwork. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of ads on Instagram for these motivational canvases. Very simple artwork that shows some type of inspirational quote or some type of power word followed by the definition of that word. You don't have to create or hand paint some original work of art in order to make this side hustle work. Motivational quotes, remixes of famous pop culture icons or famous people, or public domain artwork are all things that have been proven.
Okay, here's my problem with creating custom art pieces. I've done t-shirts. I tried once making a custom t-shirt and it didn't really sell. But here's my problem with some of it. Just be careful, because Joshua did say public domain pieces where there's not an active trademark or copyright or whatever the verbiage is. So similar to like it comes down to like the policy, the rules, regulations here, because I don't want you to get in trouble using someone's likeness, certainly trademarks, characters, phrases, what have you. Now, the general quotes and definitions, I've seen it and I know it's been hot. Maybe 2 years ago, I don't know if that trend is still hot to like get a word, behind you, like perseverance with the description. But then everyone starts doing it. And I'm not discouraging you from doing this. I just want you to be aware. But if you're getting into some of these things, is knowing the challenges you're going to face so you can start to think about, how am I going to overcome some of these challenges that other people are going to quit at those roadblocks?
Every single time that you go to Amazon.com and shop, sometimes you're just browsing through products because you're bored. And other times, if you're like me, you're always kind of searching for a specific product. What I'll do, especially if it's a bigger purchase, is actually go to the videos and I'll watch a video review for the product. Here's something that a lot of people don't actually know about. Every time somebody watches at least 30 seconds of one of these videos and then proceeds to buy the product or a similar product on Amazon, that creator will get a commission from the sale.
It's a form of affiliate income. I knew affiliate income was going to be on here, folks. So he's saying like, don't necessarily have affiliate links per se, which you could find in our Amazon storefront, link down below for the best accessories for most any side hustle. There's that, right? There's the traditional affiliate links, but he's like, make a review video, like a demonstration video, and then per Amazon's terms of service, which I did not know. Apparently, if someone watches 30 seconds of a video, then you get a commission. I didn't know that.
But Joshua, you would have to buy the product in order to do the review, and I don't have a lot of money. Okay, that's fine. Buy it, review it, and then return it. Why not? It doesn't.
Yes. Okay. I just want to let you know, just to protect you. So if you intend on buying stuff, filming a review video in hopes of getting commission, because you post it on the Amazon review site, and returning it, you can do that. But over time, I think it's a 30-day window. Correct me down below in the comments. You can't return like everything. So if Amazon keeps seeing that you're returning stuff to them, then they can actually deactivate and like completely wipe your accounts on Amazon for abusing the system if you're just returning everything. So just want to let you know.
Finding a product on AliExpress, buying it for super cheap, and then selling it at a marked up price on Etsy. And the crazy part is that it only took her 6 months to do this. Well, it all starts on AliExpress, an online retail store based in China where you can buy heavily discounted products to then resell at a much larger markup on sites like Amazon and Etsy.
This is something that's been done for you. This is not new. This white labeling on AliExpress, Alibaba. Again, it's overseas. You source like a high volume order of like whatever it is. I don't know their minimum. They have a minimum 100 units, 1,000 units, whatever it is. You use fulfilled by Amazon. So sometimes you can just send it to Amazon. You do not even have to hold inventory. So Amazon's like, well, hey, let us do our thing. They take a fee, whatever. And then they'll source those goods for you. They'll hold the goods and then it makes a sale and then you get your cut on here on Amazon. I have never been a fan of, I'm sorry, like I know there's story after story after story. I've seen this in podcasts with Walmart stores. I've seen Amazon was like the initial kind of FBA thing here. This Alibaba thing, this AliExpress, it's been put through the ringer. And I feel like the people who are actually successful use different softwares and metrics and analytics to understand where the margin is. And there's actually software that shows, okay, this person's selling this lamp for 20 bucks. There's another seller at $23. There's another seller at $20. And then you can run your analytics of how much they're converting on their click-through rates and stuff like that.
On the other hand, if I went back through and searched for, let's say, Mickey Mouse ears, which I found just by browsing through all the different categories up here at the top, you can see that this product is extremely popular.
Exactly.
Again, look at the reviews.
Let me give you a little hack here. So remember that course that I'm working on, Mastering YouTube. Again, subscribe so you can be in the know and get that initial price drop on that course. But one of the ways to get YouTube video ideas that are going to get a lot of views is doing something similar like this. It's going to Google search or both, or YouTube search and type it in your niche, and then type in like versus top 10 list of blank of your niche. And it gives you search-based results. So the first ones that pop up are highly searched. And you can use Google Trends like Joshua did to see similar kind of things, popular search terms, or the Google search or the YouTube search, and gives you a ton of video ideas that are going to get views. Cool. Some good ideas in there. I knew it was going to be something that's more entrepreneurial. I know to make $900 a day. I mean, this YouTube channel does not make $900 a day, but what can are, again, entrepreneurial ventures, building a business, selling a product, course, or service, affiliate income if you're really killing it as well. $900 a day is a good amount. But I liked the cleaning business thing most. I think that's what stood out to me. That garage, what was it? Not the garage, the garbage can, driveway, window pressure washing business. That's a good idea. To make that kind of money, the $400 to $900+ a day, it's not going to be in the gig economy, not the traditional food delivery apps, the grocery delivery, the parcel delivery. It's got to be something else as well. Here's something else that I'll be really interested in. While it's not bringing in $900 a day, something that's proven and profitable if done right, obviously with the research, is real estate. So I'm going to bring you my initial experience getting into real estates as well and income properties in 2023. Drop a like on this video if you got value, some good ideas here from Josh, his channel, link down below. And you can also click or tap the screen here for my newest video, as well as a video recommended for you. And I'll see you in the next one.